We're going to have a welcome address. Sri Bhima Reddy, could I call you to the podium? Thank you.
Respected and revered Swamijis, dear fellow devotees of our sacred temple, it is an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to this inaugural session of the great Maharadham event schedule for June 12th, 13th and 14th of this year. Our Hindu temple of Greater Chicago in this village of Lemont was initially conceived and built about 3 decades ago as a place of worship. Today it is a monumental institution upholding the traditional, cultural, religious and spiritual values that India holds dear. Its magnificent 87-foot Rajagopuram is a potent and solid symbol of our ancient and invaluable heritage. Pujas and rituals are performed daily as well as on special occasions like Sivaratri, Janmashtami, Ramanavami, Vaikuntha Ekadasi in traditional style at our holy temple. A variety of cultural and arts programs are conducted in this Samarthi auditorium throughout the year. There are several other activities such as Sunday school, where over 450 children participate, community festivals like Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Baishakhi, and health fair, blood drives, senior citizen parties, and so on. Discourses by spiritual leaders at Vivekananda Spiritual Center, specifically the monthly discourses by Swami Ishatmananda of Vedanta Society, are of great value to our devotees. A large number of devotees participate in yoga classes, meditation, and study of scriptures. This combination of religious, cultural, and spiritual activities at our temple is what makes our temple a unique organization. You might have noticed on your way a 10-foot bronze statue of Swami Vivekananda gracing the temple premises. It is the first statue of Swamiji installed in public place in the United States of America. It has been modeled after his photograph taken in Chicago after his appearance in World's Parliament of Religion in 1893, when Swamiji very successfully introduced our spirituality to the Western world. I firmly believe that everything that is happening today at this sacred temple is Swamiji's vision becoming a reality. Once again, on behalf of the Hindu Temple of Greater Chicago, I extend the warmest welcome to all of you and assure you that you will greatly enjoy today's lecture by Revered Swami Sarvapriyananda from Ramakrishna Math, Belur Ramakrishna Math, and the classic dance program by Srilakshana Jairam. In closing, it is my honor to introduce a special guest, and unfortunately he is not here today because of certain emergencies. And what we have is the Air India has donated 4 airline tickets to our organization. That's what I want to say. Those Air India tickets, we will use it, we will auction them for raising funds for the Maharadham. Again, thank you all, enjoy the program. Thank you.